guys? Yes.
Yeah.
You cannot catch Tug and I unaware because you never know what's going to happen. We are at the ESM Culinary Center. Chef Tug, thank you so much.
Hello, Kate.
Okay, so we're standing in front of what almost everyone calls a pizza oven. But the reality is that's such a misnomer. There's so much, okay, we're doing pizza in it to show you, but
we're not gonna just do pizza.
No, we're doing cookies. We are doing cookies, we're doing pizza, but there's so much more to this.
So much more. Pizzas are obviously what it is, but like sandwiches are a very common thing you'll see these used for. But there's things that you may not think about. Quesadillas are something I've done in here.
Oh, okay.
I did some birria tacos in here the other day. Yeah, so I rolled through with the sauce on those and then put it back through and kind of made like a little quesadilla out of it, but with the birria, it was phenomenal.
Really?
You can do heating of like maybe an already part-cooked wing.
Okay.
That's a pretty common thing when you think of pizza and wings,
with the wings,
right?
yes, throw that through.
So there's really a lot of stuff. I've done fresh vegetables where you can get a grilled vegetable. There's so much that you can do within these. It's not just a pizza oven.
Not just a pizza oven. Okay, but let's throw a pizza through and let's see how it comes out.
The Lincoln 2424 Aperion Impinger oven. It's brand new, about 3 years. Big difference from the old oven to this. So now we have 2 independent fans. So I can tell the top fan speed to be a different fan speed than the bottom fan speed, which for pizzas is great because you really want that nice crest and texture on that bottom, right? But if it's too high on top, we can blow off some of the toppings. So that's really, really nice that we can now do that. So this is the 2424. Why is it called 2424? Because the cavity is 24 by 24. We also have a 1624. Can you guess why we call it that? We have a 2024. Can you guess why we call it that? We have lots of different options. Within this, we can do gas or electric. On the electric, we have options for ventless. You can stack up to 2 or 3 high depending on which model. It is always field reversible. So if you have a idea that you're going left to right and you get in the field and you're putting things together and you go, oh, that's not really great. I need it to be right to left. Push of a button. It's very, very easy. This door opens, which that's not unique. A lot of the doors open. What's unique about ours is this can come off. Now with this off, when it's time to clean that conveyor can come straight out the front. On other guys, often you'd have to try to shimmy it out one of the ends, which isn't always the easiest thing to do. One other really great improvement is that in the past with Lincoln, you had finger setup that you had to get it exactly back right where you took it out from for cleaning. That doesn't matter anymore. The top can go on the bottom can go on top. There is no definition of it needs to be this is top left and that one's bottom right and has to go back to the same spot. Put them wherever.
Thank y'all so much for following along. We made some pizzas, we made some cookies. You went over so many details.
Could have done sandwiches, could have done chicken wings, we could have done a bunch of stuff.
We could have done anything.
Tater tots, whatever.
Okay, it's lunchtime because we're doing nothing but listing off food. So if y'all have any questions about what this Lincoln Aperion can do for you, if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, because the speed of service on this just is amazing.
Oh yeah, it's at least 25% faster cook speeds.
Oh, see, and we saved that for last. That is why you watch till the end.
Yeah, and you get to watch us eat a cookie.
We're on cookies. So thank y'all so much for joining us. Any questions, reach out to your local ESM rep, contact Chef Tug. Cheers.
Cheers, thanks guys.
Thanks guys.